What if I told you, some of the richest influencers online don't even exist? No, really. They're not human. They're not real. They're AI. And brands are paying them thousands. Sounds insane, right? But it's happening right now. And in this video, I'll show you how to copy them and start your own AI influencer today. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. This is going to blow your mind. Let me ask you something. Would you work if you never had to show your face? Would you work if you never had to turn on a camera? Would you work if you never had to talk? That's the power of AI influencers. They look real. They sound real. And yet, they're not. But the money they make? That's 100% real. Imagine this. A brand wants to launch a new shoe line. Instead of hiring a model, they hire an AI influencer. That influencer posts on Instagram. Millions of views. Thousands of sales. And the brand saves money. That's why this is exploding. And you can get in early. Before it gets saturated. Before everyone else catches on. Let's dive in. Step by step. Exactly how you can copy them. First, examples. Lil Miquela. She has over 3 million followers. She's worked with Prada. She's worked with Calvin Klein. She's been in music videos. And she's not real. Then there's Shudu, the world's first digital supermodel. She gets booked for campaigns. She gets sponsorships. She has millions of fans. And she's just pixels. These AI influencers charge brands thousands. Sometimes $1,000 per post. Sometimes $10,000 per campaign. And they can do unlimited campaigns. Because they never get tired. Crazy, right? But here's the thing. You don't need millions of followers to start. You don't need to be famous. You just need to know the tools. Step 1. Create your digital character. Use Mid-Journey. Use Stable Diffusion. Use Photor. Generate faces. Generate outfits. Generate different poses. That's your AI influencer. Step 2. Give them a voice. 11 Labs is amazing. Descript also works. You can clone voices. Or generate brand new ones. And you can do it in any language. Instant global audience. Step 3. Bring them to life. Tools like DID. Pictory AI. Or Hey Gen. Make them blink. Make them move. Make them speak. Suddenly, they feel human. Step 4. Start posting. Instagram. TikTok. YouTube Shorts. Even Twitter. These platforms are hungry for content. And AI content works. Post short, snackable videos. Add trending sounds. Add captions. Post every day. Watch your following grow. Step 5. Monetize. Brand deals. Sponsored posts. Digital products. Courses. Even AI-generated merch. And the best part? You can scale this endlessly. Want 2 influencers? Make 2. Want 10 influencers? Make 10. Each one can earn. Here's a quick story. A small AI influencer started with only 5K followers. Within 2 months, brand deal. Within 6 months, $5,000 in revenue. And now? Growing faster every week. So don't think you need millions to start. You don't. You just need to start. By the way, are you liking this breakdown? Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and tap that bell. Okay, back to the good stuff. What niches work best? Fashion, fitness, tech, motivation, gaming, lifestyle. These are gold mines. Fashion AI models are crushing it. Fitness coaches are booming. Motivational content goes viral daily. Tech explainers are in demand. Pick one niche. Stick with it. And go deep. Here's a trick. Use ChatGPT for captions. Use AI schedulers to post. Automate the entire process. You become the manager. The AI becomes the worker. And money keeps flowing. Let's talk numbers. One AI influencer makes $10,000 a month. Another makes $1,000 per post. Even micro AI influencers are pulling in $500 deals. And they're just getting started. Think about it. Normal influencers burn out. They need time off. They get tired. AI influencers? They don't sleep. They don't complain. They don't stop. And that's why brands love them. Consistency. Control. Creativity on demand. Okay, let's go tactical again. Tool 1. Mid-Journey for images. Tool 2. 11 Labs for voices. Tool 3. Pictory AI for videos. Tool 4. ChatGPT for captions. Tool 5. Canva or CapCut for final edits. That's your stack. With just these, you can launch today. Quick example. Generate a fitness model in Mid-Journey. Clone a motivational voice in 11 Labs. Animate the model in Pictory. Add captions with ChatGPT. Upload to TikTok. Viral potential unlocked. Another example. Generate a fashion model. Dress them in AI outfits. Post daily reels. Brands start noticing. Brand deals follow. Another one. Create a gamer influencer. Use AI voices to comment on clips. Post on YouTube Shorts. Build a fanbase fast. The possibilities are endless. And the earlier you start, the more you win. Remember this: the internet rewards early adopters. YouTube in 2010. TikTok in 2018. AI influencers in 2025. This is the wave. Ride it now. Let's recap. Step 1. Create your AI character. Step 2. Add a voice. Step 3. Animate them. Step 4. Post daily. Step 5. Monetize. That's it. Simple. Repeatable. Scalable. And remember, this is not the future. This is happening right now. And those who start now are the ones who cash in. Imagine yourself 1 year from today. 100,000 followers. $10,000 a month. All powered by AI. That's possible. If you start today. So here's your challenge. Pick one tool. Create one post. Upload it today. That's your first step. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Just start. Because action beats hesitation. And trust me, tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. You don't want to miss it. So smash subscribe. Hit the bell. Join the early adopters. And let's build your AI empire together. That's all for today. But remember this, AI doesn't replace you. It scales you. It frees you. And it pays you. Thanks for watching. Now go create your AI influencer. And start your journey today. Because the best time was yesterday. The next best time is right now. This is your sign. Don't ignore it. Don't wait. Start building. I'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow's upload changes everything.